As you can see, this is the asset chain dashboard. Look at it here. For you to get registered on this, check the link in the description box of this video. I'm going to drop the registration link here. So you simply click on it and register. Or you can also come to this app.assetchain.org. They're going to ask you for a referral code. Simply put in, I think, Tonio's Tech, or just copy the link in the description box of this video. Now, this is how it is. There are basically two ways you can earn on this asset chain. The first way is to do on-chain task. The second way is to do your liquidity minting. Although there is still an extra step, which is the social task. Look at here. This one is not something hard. It's just for you to, mention them on X and all of this. For you to do this, you have to first of all connect your X account and your Telegram account. So once you are done with that, you can now go ahead and, verify the task. This one is saying not completed. I'll go back to this later. Now, here is the thing. You can also do this on your phone, on your mobile phone. Don't mind the fact that I'm using my system. It's because I find it easier here. If you don't have a laptop, you can use your mobile phone. Just download Mrs. Browser. All of these things you can do it here. Once you download Mrs. Browser, you import your Metamask because you are going to be needing your Metamask wallet. Very important. Look at, this is my own wallet connected here. I already have the extension installed. So Mrs. Browser is a mobile app that allows you to, get an extension, something like your laptop. So you'll be able to get an extension. Now, this is how my page is going to look like. I'm going to be showing you in this video how to swap. How to swap. For the sake of the length of this video, I will not be showing other things. Other things like your reputation minting, your maybe liquidity pool, and then bridging. That will be in another video. But for this video, I'll show you how to swap. Look at the swap here. That is what I'll show you how to do. Now, if I come to this referral page, you can see I have, look at, I can generate my referral link. But for you, you will not get a referral link until you complete your trade volume. You have to have a trade volume of $500. And you can do that by simply swapping. I did my own by swapping, and that is how I got $500. If you don't have $500 to deposit, you can use a lesser amount. For instance, I deposited about 50k CNGN, which I got from Xend Finance app. You can deposit lesser. You can deposit 10k. You can deposit 15k. You can deposit 20k. Just make sure that you have to swap more to reach the $500 trade volume. Now, here's my screen. For you to do this swapping, the first thing you need to do is to first of all have your wallet. I already have my Metamask wallet connected. The second thing is for you to purchase CNGN. You can deposit USDT to this your Metamask wallet and do the swap. But the thing is, it's easier buying CNGN because of gas fee. If you want to send USDT from exchange or you want to buy from someone, it can be stressful. So just go to your Play Store or your App Store. Download the Xend Finance app. I'm still going to be making another video to show you how you can purchase CNGN on that Xend Finance app for those of you that still don't know how to go about it. But if you know the steps already, just download the Xend Finance app, purchase your CNGN from it. CNGN is the native cryptocurrency token of Nigerian Naira. So it works. Once you purchase it, you copy this your MetaMask wallet address, and then you transfer your CNGN from that Xend Finance app into this, and you're going to get it. For instance, let me open up my MetaMask wallet, and you're going to see my CNGN is in my wallet. If you need the contract address of this, check the description box of this video. So the link is going to be there. So if I come to these tokens, you can see this is my CNGN. The reason why it is currently 47,600 is because I had already swapped. During swap, some fees will be taken. So this is what was left after I completed the $500 trade volume. Now, after you have done this, the next thing is you get gas. Look at this gas. You come to this gas page and then you tap on this and wait for this to get to 100. Now, as for me, they are going to tell me that I already have gas, and this is because I have initially done this and I got 0.01 RWA. If you are doing this for the first time, you need to first of all get gas before you start performing any of the transaction. As you can see, look at wallet still has enough. Now, once you have all of this out of the way, come to this swap section. Look at, then it's going to redirect you to this other website where you get to do the swap. You also have to connect your wallet on this page. Mine is already connected. Now, as for the swapping, there is currently only one trade pair, and that is CNGN against USDT. Don't make the mistake that I made. when I was swapping initially, I thought any of this could work. So I swapped my CNGN to this Xend Finance, which is XRWA, and I ended up losing my funds. Although I later complained in the Telegram channel, and then the CEO helped me to resolve the issue, and that was how I was able to get my CNGN back. And then I also was clarified that this is currently the only swap pair available. All of these other ones will soon be available, but currently they are still working on them. So to be on the safer side, make sure you are swapping only CNGN to USDT. Look at this bridge. Now, the minimum you can swap is $5. And that is because as you're swapping, you're also getting points. I have not gotten any point here. Look at my point is 0. This is not because I've not gotten points, but this is because the site is not yet has not yet updated it. I think last time I checked, they say there's one they do the update for 24 hours, and then there's another one they do the updates every 7 days, something like that. So it is not currently updated yet. If I let me see. I think I saw a timer here the other time. So when it gets updated, my point is going to reflect. Some people's own reflects immediately, others do not reflect. It does not matter. You're still working on this site and everything will be stable soon. So don't mind. I already have my all right. Now if I go to this leaderboard here, look at these are people's wallet and look, this is the time I was seeing. So you can see when this time elapses, they'll still update it. Look at people's trading volume, $139,000. Wow, this is massive. So you can see a lot of people are doing trade here. Yeah, as you keep trading, you keep swapping, you get points. Look at this one has already 3,000 points, 8,000, and the list keeps going on. So this is what the person is participating in. He gets from referral. This is referral. This one goes from liquidity pool. So this is 0, 0. That means he didn't participate in the liquidity pool, and you can see, and trading volume. So that is basically it. You can search for your wallet address here, and if it is repetition minting, you can search for your name here. Like me now, I already know my position. If I should type in my username and see here, I'm going to see. So that is basically that. I'm gonna go over here now to this swap page. Okay. And then, like I've said, I'm swapping from CNGN to USDT. So if you are doing it for the first time, I'm going to advise you swap minimum of $5. Yes, $5 is the minimum to be on the safer side in case you do something wrong, and then to minimize the risk. Don't go and swap something very high, and then and as you are swapping, you're getting 10 points, 10 points per swap, 10 points per bridge, and look at 10 points for locking your liquidity. So that is basically it. Let's go to this swap. I'm gonna be swapping max. Like I said, I've already done this before. I know the process. Once I tap on max, I'm gonna be directed to my Metamask, and then I go ahead and confirm the transaction. And okay, let's wait. You can see transaction confirmed. Look at the transaction hash. That is basically it. I'm gonna go ahead and swap the USDT back to CNGN. I'm also going to show you how you can withdraw this your CNGN. It's an easy thing to do. You can withdraw this your CNGN directly to your Xend Finance app and then directly to your bank account. But for the sake of the length of this video, I won't be doing that in this video. I'll be doing that in my next video, where in fact I'll even be showing you how to do the repetition minting and a lot others. So just make sure you are glued on this my channel if you're watching from YouTube. And if you got this from X, yes, be glued on this page. So asset chain is a good thing. I think everybody should participate on it, especially if you're an African. So as you can see, I have swapped back. I now have my CNGN back. Look at my CNGN is now for 7K. Let's go back to this page. Since I've already completed my trade volume, I'm going to go ahead and generate my referral link, which you can get in the description box of this video. So check the description box of this video for my link. Okay, Tonio's tech is not working. So I'm gonna use Tonio's. Okay, I'm gonna be using Tonio's T. Let me put it in small letter to make it clear. Tonio's T. Since space for Tonio's tech is not going. So this will be my code. Or should I even remove this T? Let me say Tonio. That is better. So I go ahead and confirm this, and my referral link has been generated successfully. So I can now copy it and share. Like I said, it will be in the description box of this video in case you want to register. And if you're registering, the registration code is Tonio. And that is basically how to go about this, guys.